Today is very excited. Okay, we order from one Midi keyboard. This is a Midi keyboard for our children. Its a brand name is called Arturia. Arturia is one of the famous Midi keyboard. Is they have Lowlands, they have Yamaha, they have Arturia, they have Akai. This Midi keyboard we order is a 61 key. Is called Keylab and Sensia 61 key. Okay, is just received by today. Today is 6th of October. So we order on last 2 days on Sunday. So we need to unbox to see these products. Let's go. Good for protection. Okay, this actually Arturia is from a product from a technology from Europe, but they are always made in China. Okay, the inside the protection is really good. Okay, so I need to take out the protection sheet. Oh. And then they have one box here, all for protection, just protection, and then it's very nice. Okay, we put this box on one side. Okay, so this is the keyboard. Wow, it's a white color. It's a Midi keyboard. What meaning is a Midi keyboard? Meaning that Midi keyboard is you need to plug into your computer, connect to your computer, need to go through the interface, and then if not, there's no sound. Not like the piano or organ, you have a speaker. This one no speaker. We been ordered the speaker is audio is a audio monitor. They call it speaker, will be coming soon. So we open and just see this keyboard. How beauty on this keyboard. They show you is Arturia as a Keylab, and then they also they have include the pack is analog lab 2 and a Platon Lifeline and grand piano. This all is a software. It's a software to control this this keyboard to control. Okay, I just open. Oh. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, inside the this is keyboard. This is behind the keyboard have mentioned all the have a menu to inform you. Number one is what? Performance pack, DAW, okay, performance control, all this thing will be discussed later. And then this pack also comes with the jack. This jack is have a USB jack direct connect to your computer. Okay, so color. They will come with the menu. For the menu for you to go inside the website, download for the software. Okay, and then this is a key. Okay, I will take out this sticker. This is a sticker protection. Oh, they also have one protection, the key protection now. I need to take out this one also. Really good, very beautiful. The packaging is really very nice. Made in China, China products, US technology. The keyboard is very light. It's not same like piano. Piano a bit hard, but this is a keyboard different from piano. So they have pitch, control pitch. Meow, 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 meow. They have a motif sound. They have placed all this keypad. This have analog lag. All these are DAW. Have a user. Or you can how to say is record the sound, and then have a DAW command and the transport for the record. You can choose for your this instrument like piano, grand piano, key, organ, or the string sound, or is have something like the equalizer. They have effect. Effect is like attack, decay, sustain, release, attack. All this they have knob for you control the sound. Okay, it's very light, very beautiful. Why we need to buy for this keyboard? Because we saw we have experience. We try to the background music we download from this from the YouTube, but our daughter English sing, but we cannot put inside the YouTube. He say it's a copyright. So we decided to buy this keyboard. We will make our own music. Okay, so let our English or Wei Xian, our child to sing. So we also let them to have a creative. Maybe they can become a composer, making a song like the Alan Walker, quite famous. Okay, so can make a song. So we will be wait all the instrument to come in. We still waiting for the speaker. We call is speaker is audio monitor, and then we also waiting for our this mic, and then the earpiece, and we also order for table. Now this we need to set up for the home studio. This home studio we call it a Wei-In studio. See you soon for next chapter. Okay, after the unbox, we do the setup. This keyboard, Midi keyboard direct connect to the laptop, and then have together with the audio interface and the studio monitor. Studio monitor is their call is a speaker, and I will call speaker. So we choose for white color, and then this keyboard is 61 key, Keylab 61 key, essential. So they have 4 models. They have Midi Keylab. That means it's a 2 octave. This one is 1 octave. That means include the 5 number of black key, the 8 number of a white key. They have a mini keyboard in the 2 octave. So have a Keylab 49. That means the 49 key. So and also have another more. This model is a 61 key. The total is a 61 key. Another higher range is 88 key. Okay, so this one is a premium keyboard. It's not too high-end keyboard. Too high-end keyboard is very expensive. We bought this keyboard almost about 9,000 Thai baht. 9,000 Thai baht, almost about close to USD, about 300 USD. Okay, so we choose for white color. They have another model is a black color. So, and then this keyboard on the side, on the left and right side, they have the design is very beautiful. They have something like the wood green color to combine with the white color, and then they have logo here, Arturia. Okay, this keyboard. What meaning is a MIDI keyboard? MIDI keyboard is don't have any preset sound. Don't have any preset sound. Whatever you plug in your power supply, or you plug into your PC, you don't have the software support. That means that no any sound come out from this from this keyboard. So this keyboard come with one software called Analog Lab 4. Okay, this Analog Lab 4 software, they include 19 synthesizer keyboards. SYNTH. S is a synthesizer, the short form synthesizer keyboard. 19 type of synthesizer keyboard, and the 6 type of piano, and 3 type of organ, and 6,500 preset sound include for this software. Mean that this software have a 6,500 sound. So different sound, you can use this keyboard to connect it. Normally like piano, they just have one piano sound, that's it, right? So why nowadays a lot of people choose for MIDI keyboard? MIDI keyboard, they can do your DIY by your song from you can do your own song, compose your own song, everything by you, no problem for this keyboard. Just you need some of the hardware to connect whatever. So this keyboard you can direct to check into your PC. So they also have a MIDI connector behind. MIDI connector behind here. MIDI connector behind. This is a MIDI connector. So this is a jack, USB jack direct to the computer. And then this one is a sustain. You can sustain pedal. Okay. So this keyboard come with 2 number of one is a pitch mode, one is a pitch, and another mode. They have reset the octave, plus, minus, have a chord transfer, and then have a keypad. This is a keypad. This keypad is you can put the drum sound, and then they have a DAW command center to control the LCD sound from the whatever sound you need. You just turn the button here to select your sound and press confirm, they will come the sound. So they also come with the preset. All the preset is you can get from this Analog Lab 4 software inside, and then you can they have something like the equalizer control, right? But this is not equalizer. This is a control for the sound tone. So we are quite happy because before we purchase for this MIDI keyboard, I personally do a lot of survey already. Survey with a complex Akai, and then Yamaha, and then a Korg. So at the end, we choose for this MIDI keyboard. So this MIDI keyboard, you need to do the setup. This MIDI keyboard, the sound is come from this. They need to direct connect your MIDI keyboard direct to your PC. You must do the setting. The setting is very simple. You go to option, you choose for MIDI setting, then they come out the diagram like that. There are one called output and input. So you choose for, because this keyboard name is Arturia Keylab and session 61. You must go click on this one, and the port you set on the port 1, and then send to, must click here. Okay, you must click here, send master synthesizer, and then under the input, it's still the same. Choose for Arturia and session 61. You must choose for port 1 and enable it. So the sound will become from the keyboard direct from here. I just make example. The sound is like this. So the sound is like that. Okay, let's say you choose for the another sound. So the guitar bass. So all the sound is come from, you can add, you can choose whatever the sound, okay, from here. Okay, let's say you choose for one example. Maybe I choose for this mini synthesizer. Maybe the sound is like that. Of course, you also can control the surface here. So this is I just have one project. So, and we just you can hear the sound. It's a very solid. Just until it's not finished yet. It's Alan Walker called Fade. It's used for this keyboard to make the sound. Okay, before you purchase, you need to do a lot of study about this MIDI keyboard to study what you need. You need is a MIDI keyboard, or there's a what type keyboard. So I will be list out this all type of the keyboard below link. You can click, you can do your review, and you also can, let's say you interest about this keyboard. If you have any question, you are welcome, send me the comment. So I will try to reply all the comment to you. And then let's say you like to purchase for this keyboard. So I will be put out below the link. It's cheaper. You need to compare the price also. Okay, with your country, or you can direct purchase from the Amazon. So the link is below. So hope you like this video and give you a lot of experience. Okay, so that give us the click or like and subscribe, share this video to your friend. Let's say they need to purchase for this MIDI keyboard, and then don't forget click the bell. So Once you click the bell, whatever we upload from the next chapter or next video, I will unbox the tutorial, or the unbox all the this audio interface, the studio monitor, and the MIDI keyboard. See you on next chapter. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.